Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem for today's video. We will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Next, we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. Lastly, we'll show you the fastest and smartest way to solve the problem. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem for today's video. Evaluate 2.9999 squared. A. 8.9994001. B. 7.9994001. C. 8.9994011. D. 8.9994092. E. 9.000988641. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, which is the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the standard method, using the a minus b squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, we get 2.9999 squared equals 3 minus 0.0001 squared equals 3 squared minus 2 times 3 times 0.0001 plus 0.0001 squared equals 9 minus 0.0006 plus 0.00000001, which gives us 8.9994001, which means the answer is letter A. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 90 seconds. Wow! That was a mouthful of numbers to read. Now let's move on to the fun part. Let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT using the latest ChatGPT 4. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option A. Let's see how fast ChatGPT can solve this problem. Oh, that was fast! It gives us approximately 8.9994001, which matches the correct answer we got from the standard method, which is option A. Yay! Great job! Now let's try this on Google Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer was option A, 8.9994001. And Gemini gave us the answer immediately. And the correct answer is option A. And Gemini got the correct answer too. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of a calculator or an AI. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, here's the smart way. Again, the answer is option A. Looking at the number, one can guess certain attributes of the answer. A. Since the question is querying a number very close to 3 but less than that, the first digit of the answer should be a number close to 9 but less than 9. Since option E is 9.0098641, it is eliminated. Next, since 9 times 9 equals 81, that is, the last digit is 1, when we multiply 2.9999 with 2.9999, the last digit has to be 1. Since option D has the last digit of 2, it is also eliminated. Next, since there are 4 digits after the decimal point, the answer should have 8 digits after the decimal. Since option C has 7 digits, it is also eliminated. Lastly, since the squaring is of a number very close to 3, but less than that, the first digit should be the largest integer less than 9, that is 8. Since option B has the first digit as 7, it is also eliminated. This leaves us with only one option, that is A, which is the correct answer. Estimated time to arrive at the answer is less than 10 seconds. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos, or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.